Well guys, I forgot to hit the record button. This was supposed to be a poke hole video as well as a popping open some Amazon warehouse deals. Well, here's the Amazon warehouse deal. Sword and Shield booster box. I haven't had one of those yet. Was kind of pumped to be able to get one. However, upon opening, every pack is wide open and they have pulled the online card and the holo and the rare from every single one. I checked like 3. I would assume if 3 of them are like that, I see no reason, because it doesn't matter for me really. But looks like they just popped them open, took out the holo, the rare, and the online card, and stuffed it back in there. So this is going to go straight back to Amazon. And I snapped a picture for social media just to share with you guys. So that's, if you want to know about this stuff a bit sooner and it comes out in video, check, follow me as @theprophecist. Most active on Twitter, but I'm also on Instagram. That's also, if you follow @TechExchange, the best way to get notified generally about our new videos. Just because we're so small, sometimes YouTube does not actually put me in your subfeed. Actually, for the first time ever, I was the first recommended video today on my own subfeed. The one that released today was the Vaxi Outset AX video. It was the first on my own subfeed, which is, I mean, obviously I watch my videos to make sure, or at least a lot of them run through to make sure that they're working correctly. And that was even though HD hadn't finished processing it, which, you know, takes, like I said, up to over 24 hours at times. So the other thing that came in, which is freaking awesome, are these guys here. And what they are is the another set of Take Team tins. I ordered 3 of them, and I was just gonna order 2, but I thought there might be a chance for it because I was missing the Pikachu and Zekrom one. And when you buy through Amazon themselves, just like if you were to order from, like, a lot of times Walmart, maybe not Walmart, GameStop, GameBop, Best Buy, a lot of the main retailers, because these all come in boxes that just says Pokemon Take Team tin. They just grab it out and give it to you. You can't specifically get Pikachu and Zekrom, or the Celebi and Venusaur, and the other one is Snorlax and Eevee. And this is what I was looking for. I could have probably just gone with 2, but I think they opened back up or something like that, and I grabbed another one just in case. So if you guys are interested, I'm probably going to be looking at getting rid of the Venusaur and Celebi and one of the Pikachu and Zekrom ones, because I only need 1 of each. And you guys hopefully have already watched and seen me open up the Celebi and Venusaur and Snorlax and Eevee. So, yep, I'm happy to get knowing my luck, I would have bought 3, and it would have been, like, not the Pikachu and Zekrom one. But yeah, so expect the next follow-up video of this one, essentially, to be opening up one of these tins here. So, it sucks. I had a longer video that was a bit more drawn out. But I forgot to hit the record button. Oh, and for drinks, since we're doing it a bit earlier, since it's weekend, I'm rocking the cold brew, lightly sweet, that's how I like it, lightly sweetened, salted caramel, from Java House. Don't know where they sell this necessarily, but it tastes pretty good. I don't like anything that's too, like, that's more flavor than it is coffee. Pretty darn good, if you ask me. Alright, well, we'll see you in the next one. This one was a bit awkward since I forgot to record it the first time through. Hopefully you like it. Hit subscribe, comment down below about my ineptitude, and we'll see you in the next one.